Welcome to our video on workplace jargon and business idioms. Today, we'll explore some key phrases you might hear in a professional setting and what they really mean. Let's start with touch base. Touch base refers to making brief contact with someone, usually to discuss an issue or give an update. It's often used to suggest a quick check-in. For example, I'll touch base with you next week to see how the project is progressing. Next, the term deep dive means exploring a topic or problem in great detail. It suggests a thorough and comprehensive analysis. You might hear it in a context like, let's take a deep dive into the market research to understand the trends. Low-hanging fruit describes tasks or goals that are easy to achieve and don't require much effort. It's about prioritizing simple tasks for quick results. A common use might be, let's first tackle the low-hanging fruit to get some quick wins. In business, circle back means to revisit a topic or issue later. It's often used when a discussion needs more information or time. For example, we need more data to decide, so let's circle back to this topic next week. Synergy refers to a situation where combined efforts produce a greater outcome than individual efforts. It's about teamwork and collaboration. You might hear, by working collaboratively, we can create synergy and achieve more. To leverage something means using a resource or advantage to its fullest potential. In the workplace, this could relate to skills, technology, or relationships. For example, we should leverage our social media presence to increase brand awareness. Bandwidth is a term borrowed from technology that refers to someone's capacity to take on more work. It's about availability and capability. A common use is, I don't have the bandwidth for another project right now. Pivot is about making a significant shift in business strategy or approach. This term is particularly popular in the startup world. For instance, the market has changed, so we need to pivot our approach to stay competitive. Scalability refers to the ability of a company, system, or business model to handle a growing amount of work or to be capable of expansion. It's key in business growth and development. An example could be, we need to ensure our platform has scalability as we gain more users. Thinking outside the box encourages unconventional or creative thinking. It's about looking beyond the usual methods and coming up with innovative solutions. For example, we need some out-of-the-box ideas to solve this challenge. Move the needle means to change a situation to a noticeable degree, especially in business. It's about making significant progress. An example is, our new marketing campaign really moved the needle on our sales numbers. Boots on the ground refers to having people physically present in a field or on-site, handling operations. It emphasizes the importance of direct involvement. For instance, to truly understand the market, we need boots on the ground interacting with local customers. A game changer is something that dramatically alters the current state of affairs or introduces a significant shift. In business, it's often used for innovative ideas or technologies. For example, the introduction of this technology is a game changer for our industry. On the same page means everyone involved has a mutual understanding or agreement. It's crucial for effective teamwork and communication. For example, before we proceed, let's make sure we're all on the same page regarding the project goals. At the 11th hour refers to doing something at the last possible moment. It's often used to describe decisions or actions taken just before a deadline. Example: the team delivered the report at the 11th hour, just in time for the client meeting. The big picture is about the overall perspective or goal rather than focusing on the finer details. In business, it's crucial to understand the larger context of actions and decisions. Example: while working on these daily tasks, it's important not to lose sight of the big picture. Being ahead of the curve means being more advanced than the competition, especially in terms of innovation and adaptation. It's about being a leader in your field. Example: our R&D team is always ahead of the curve in developing new technologies. Going the extra mile means doing more than what is expected or required. It's about putting in additional effort to ensure success or satisfaction. Example: she always goes the extra mile to ensure the client is satisfied with our service. Thank you for joining us for this exploration of workplace jargon and business idioms. These phrases are key to effective communication in the professional world. Join us online for many more lessons, activities, and free materials.